Guys, welcome back to my channel How To. I know many of you are probably wondering whether it's really possible to make money online in South Africa, and the answer is a resounding yes. In fact, there are a variety of ways that you can make money online, and I'm going to share some of the most effective method with you today. I'm going to share with you a step-by-step guide on how to make money online in South Africa using this amazing app. Yes, you heard me right, you can make money online using just your smartphone and this app. So, without any further ado, let's get started. The app name is a paid work that allows users to earn money by engaging in a variety of activities that they already do online. By downloading the app and creating an account, users can start earning money by playing games, filling out surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and using online services. The app offers a wide range of opportunities for users to earn money, making it a convenient and flexible option for those who want to earn some extra cash in their free time. Users can choose which activities they want to participate in, and how often they want to participate, making it a customizable way to earn money online. The app typically pays users in the form of cash or gift cards, and the amount earned depends on the type of activity and the amount of time invested. And that's it, folks. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to download the app and start earning money today. Whether you want to make some extra cash on the side or turn this into a full-time gig, this app is a great way to start. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons for more great content.